Before Zero Networks, we had a kind of a free space for attackers to get in. So when we do a pen test, they would get in within 5 minutes and steal our data, and even worse, ransom our data. With Zero Networks, they're not able to move from one side to the other, and that is definitely a big advantage when it comes to security. My name is René Ouwehand. I'm the CISO at ACT Commodities. ACT Commodities is an organization which helps other organizations in achieving their environmental goals. We want to secure our Azure Cloud environment, where we have a lot of servers, and those servers need to be protected against attacks from the outside. We have implemented a lot of different measures, but we didn't implement those on the server side because that is way too difficult. Re-implementing firewalls, adjusting configurations, that's usually a very difficult task to do. Zero Networks is a solution which actually helps companies to secure their environment, especially the environments which are very difficult to segment. Zero Networks is seamless to install, very easy to maintain. It is a superb tool, and it's one of the best tools I've seen so far, especially to prevent attackers to get into our system. And it also provides great insights for auditors, for example. So if they have any questions about just-in-time access or who has been in your environment, the portal will provide it to me without any issue. The installation is very smooth. It starts in learning modus. You suddenly see all sorts of data flows which you did not expect. And after a month, we could actually see that, okay, it looks ready, it looks okay, let's switch it on. We did see the added value at the moment we did a pen test, because we saw that this attacker couldn't get into the system at all. But at the same time, we detected him as of minute 2, he got into the system. That was really nice. It was a good feeling. When you look at Zero Networks and maintenance, you will see that the system actually runs itself, if you will. So you will see that the automation which is built in the system actually really helps in maintaining this environment. It saves time and it gives us focus on the things that also matter, securing the rest of the environment. On top of that, they have the RPC firewall and the LDAP firewall. Those two tools actually makes an attacker blind, and a combination of Zero Networks with the RPC firewall, that is a killer in the market. That is definitely something I have never seen before. So the tools you get with Zero Networks really is a big addition to your security posture.